Some take a look at how Barbie's face has changed over the past 56 years. Selected headshots of the iconic doll from 1959, when it was first released, until 2005, and created a collage so we can watch them evolve. I was curious as to exactly how Barbie's face has changed across the 56-year span she's been around, writes Tenaflyviper. Personally, I think the molds they used from 1987 to 1995 are the cutest, but I was still a little girl playing with Barbies at that time, so I may be a bit biased. Enjoy!